is the all-new Powerful Cordless Steam Iron from Panasonic. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, hang on a sec, did you say cordless iron? The answer is yes. Yes, I did. And guess what? Panasonic have been making cordless irons for a while now. This one, however, has got me really excited as there are some really great upgrades from previous generations that make it a real winner, especially if you do the ironing at home, which in my house is most definitely always me. Let's start with why you would get a cordless iron. Cordless, as the name suggests, means you have no cables attached to the iron itself. This allows you to move the iron freely in any direction, backwards, forwards, side to side, without worried about the power cable getting tangled or catching on anything while you're working or while it's stationary, including kids or pets who might run past and accidentally knock it over while it's cooling down. It's easy to use and you don't have to change the way you iron either. You simply plug the power base into the nearest power outlet like you normally would, turn the iron on and set your power level and steam level depending on what you're working with. It takes about a minute or so to heat up from room temperature, and while it does this, you can detach the water tank and fill it at the nearest sink instead of having to keep a jug nearby, which is another thing that I'm constantly knocking over. Then you simply use it like you normally would with a corded iron on your ironing board. Pick it up and iron out the creases as per usual. Then, when you need to reset your clothes, simply place the iron back onto the charging base to recharge for the next round. There's a steam shot as well, just like a normal iron for those tricky parts on shirts, but because it's cordless, you can use it to steam shot clothing on hangers, like coats or fabrics that may be further away from power points like curtains and bedding. Then, when you're finished, unlike corded irons which have to be left out to cool down before packing away, you can just dock your iron, tuck the power cord back, and then put the case lid straight on the top, and you're done. The enclosed case keeps the hot Soleplate isolated while it cools down, so you can get on with your day and there's no more worrying about accidentally bumping the iron off the ironing board while you wait for it to cool down. So convenient. Now let's take a look at some of those new features that I mentioned. The WL55 really steps up the power with up to 2000 watts of full surface steam action in a multi-directional Soleplate. This makes it easy to get the creases out of your clothing faster as you get steam in every direction, so less back and forth across your shirts for the same level of ironing power. The Graphite ceramic Soleplate also has a slight curve in it for smooth gliding performance, so ironing almost feels effortless. Safety-wise, there's an auto-off function built in, so if you forget to turn it off, it will shut itself off after 10 minutes. And there's a built-in Anti-Calc Capsule inside the water tank, so you can rest easy knowing you won't have to deal with lime scaling and calcification. Now, I've been using this iron for the last month and it's been so popular in my house that even my kids are asking if they can iron their clothes. Seriously. Yes, you can. Absolutely. If you're still watching this video, do yourself a favor, get one, and make ironing more enjoyable again. For more information, check out Panasonic.com or watch some of our other videos, including how-to guides and more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Just get a shot of me looking like I'm about to iron my pants. Cool, all right, that'll be stop.